Hello friends, welcome back to 4Anastasia. Today I will show you multiple ways how to decorate Christmas vase. And I actually got some special lights that I would like to show you a little close up. I got those brand new lights that has an interesting way attaching them with remote. So even if this distance away or inside of a big and deep vase, I can just turn them on and change any color that I want to. The only negative way that they're all gonna turn on at the same time, so if they're really far away then I can have only one on. But otherwise they're pretty cool, and there's so many fade and smooth and strobe, the flash. So much to choose from when you decorate anything. When you make DIY like this, I would say just few things are important to have handy. It's scissors and invisible/clear wire. Lights can be any kind. I would recommend to use the ones that have remote control. One click and it's on and off. I put few in description box below that you can get. One downside of them, as I mentioned earlier, that each of them come with separate remote control, but for some reason one remote control controls all of them at once. So if you want to have one green and one blue light, it would not work. They have to be apart, about 2 meters or 6 feet apart, to use different remote controls to set up 2 different colors. My friends, if you're new to my channel, there's a special red button under this video that you can click and subscribe to my channel. Also click bell next to it to get notifications with my new videos. Otherwise, without bell, you will never know when I upload my new video. My main idea and goal is to have lights at the bottom of my composition. Right now it's snow, in other ones just ornaments. I used this pretty house and I added lights inside of it as well. Those lights work with remote control too, but only one color. But maybe different settings like fast or soft transitions. I use only lightweight ornaments with this clear wire. This wire is really strong and good, but I would not recommend to hang anything heavy on it. This bowl works perfect for me because I can use these holes to attach anything I want and create more value and depth in my vase. I don't want to put anything just at the bottom because then you will lose that magical depth and value inside of your vase. You want lights or something to hold and hang to create extra world inside of it, if that makes sense. You can use regular white thread to hang your ornaments, but one, it can break unless if you use really good quality for heavy duty. Two, you will see it comparing to clear wire. Not like it's magical clear wire and it will disappear, but still you can see white more than you see something clear. For a second idea, it's pretty much same steps, but different ornaments. I kept lights under fake snow. I added silver candle holder on top of snow instead of house. And to add value and depth inside, I used 3 big white ornaments. But this time I added lights inside as well. I added lights wherever is possible, on the bottom, under the snow, inside of the vase, and on the top. For this warm color vase, I changed it to snow and I added snow glitter on top. It will reflect light way better, and I changed it a light color on the snow too, to red color. Lights inside the vase are gold tone. It looks better with warm shades, and when I created cold color vase, I used the light with blue and white color hue. Those lights under snow can be changed to many colors, even in same color hue. So I changed it to green, like a swimming pool green, so it's matching those blue/green ornaments. I don't know why, but it reminds me of swimming pool color for some reason. This ornament was Eiffel Tower I got from my mom in Paris when I took my summer classes there. We both love Paris and my mom loves New Year's holidays. So I was super lucky to find Christmas Eiffel Tower ornament in Paris in the middle of July. Haha. You can see I added ornament that looks like music instruments. That reminds me of French music. And if you spend time walking on streets of Paris, you can find a lot of beautiful street musicians playing soft music. And all you want to do is to get hot chocolate and sit down on the stairs and just listen to their music. You know what? Comment down below if you've ever been to Paris and what places you've been to or want to visit. And let's also vote for the best vase design. Comment down below or in top right corner of this video, vote for your favorite vase 1 through 4. I love number 4. How about you? Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to put a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye friends.